Welcome to FOMCS educational videos. Today we will start introducing basic features. Educational video, logging in. Settings, starting use FOMCS. From any browser, type in my.fomcs.com in address bar and press enter. Sign in with your username and password.
Please note that, if you have forgotten your password, you can apply to get it back as the owner admin, or as a user separately. Click on Sign In.
This is the dashboard. Let us introduce you its elements. You can personalize the view with light and dark mode option. With search function, you can reach specified information throughout the software.
From your profile menu, you can review your profile and account information.
You can also reach them from the settings menu. Profile menu also provides links for educational videos that you are currently viewing and help desk ticketing, which are also reachable from bottom right. You can log out from here, and also from here. You can go back to the dashboard from this link, and also from the main menu. You can review the release notes and updates from this link. You can adjust the view from here. The Create menu, where you can quickly add new information. From the calendar, you can follow up with the course of events to manage your yachts. From this panel, you can search for specific bases for charters and yachts to appear in the calendar. You can add multiple bases and yachts for your search. Let us view the upcoming events. They can be regarding expiries for the certificates and licenses for the yachts, service calendar or logbook for the yachts, options for charters, and bookings for charters. You can click on a specific date to view its contents individually. And by clicking on the event, you can view and manage its details. You can view the calendar in monthly, weekly, or in list view. You can go back to the current date by clicking Today. If you have multiple events for a date, you can click here to view more. You can use the filters above to narrow down the course of events for specific elements. From these clickable panels, you can review total of options, bookings, total yachts that are currently on cruise, and total yachts that are available for sale. From Billings and Payments panel, you can follow up with the payments regarding yacht sales and bookings in different currencies. From Activities, you can follow up with new options, bookings, and sales. If you click on the code, you can view and manage these activities if necessary. Needs You Attention panel provides notifications to manage your yachts, crew, sales, and charter. They can be expiring crew documents, outstanding payments, and so on. After clicking on them, you will be directed to the list or event that needs your attention. You can review more or less booked yachts from here.
Click on your profile to review your information. If you're using an owner-admin account, this information is created when you register your account from FOMCS Yacht and can only be changed at My Account section in FOMCS webpage with logging in. Apart from admin accounts, users can change their profile information, but only if they are giving permissions through admin privileges.
As for next, let us click on My Account.
In here, you can review your company information that is created when you have registered your account and can only be accessed with logging into owner-admin account. Registered company information can only be changed through My Account section when you log into FOMCS web page. In here, only certain elements can be edited, like profession, logo, or billing information. Make the changes as you see fit. Then click on Save to apply them. As next, let us click on Educational Videos.
Educational Videos provides all the functions and possibilities of FOMCS to do your daily work as easily and quickly as possible. Next, click on Help Desk Ticketing. Our Help Desk ticketing system collects, organizes, and tracks all of our customers' support queries. After submitting your request or query, the average response time is 12 hours, but never exceeds 24 hours. As for next, click on Users.
This is the owner-admin user's account. Let us click on it. Because this is the registered admin account, login credentials are locked like in the Profile section. But for the user accounts, login information can be changed as you see fit. As for the other sections, they will be explained when we create a new user. As next,
let us add a new user for this account. Click on Create. Determine the login credentials. Fill in the general information of the user. Change the active status, either by selecting Yes or No. Continue filling up information. And please note that only the sections with asterisk signs are obligatory to fill up. Employment info. Billing info and miscellaneous. Permission section can only be accessed with administrator account. It allows to manage user account roles and permissions for each user separate, cross-users team collaboration, switching accounts, user profile edit, billing account, and documents library for each user, and assignable alerts. You can either select them all at once or one at a time. You can also search for keywords to select specific permissions for the user. If you allow Yacht's Manage Permission, another panel appears in which you can authorize the user to access and manage selected yachts according to their workflow. Again, you can search for keywords. Click on Add to create the user. After you have created the user, click on the name to access it. You can redefine and change the user's permissions in the future. Once inside, you can add documents regarding the user from this tab. Click on Create. Select the type of the document from the list. Write down the expiry date, if there is. Browse and select the document. You can also drag and drop the file to upload it. Click on Add to create it. You can review and edit the selected document from here. Make the changes as you see fit. Then click on Edit. Delete the selected document. Use search function to reach specified information. Use filters above to narrow down your search. You can view the document from here after you have uploaded it. You can copy and paste the link to directly share the document with message applications or email. You can print, copy, or get exports of the current list in Excel or PDF format from here. You can also edit the user's information. Make the changes as you see fit. After all is done, click on Save to apply the changes. You can review and edit the selected user from here and delete them from here. Use search function to reach specified information. Use filters above to narrow down your search. You can print, copy, or get exports of the current list in Excel or PDF format from here. As for last, click on Email Policies. From this menu, you can define conditions for your email notifications. These notifications are for your expiring subscription that is automatically defined to send email to selected users certain days before expiration. Expiring user documents that we have just created in the Users section as an example. You can manually define the days before the expiry that the users will receive the notification. If you click on Preview, you can see the notification that the selected users will receive as an email. Expiring Yacht certificates and licenses notification dates are manually defined directly from Yacht's card. You can learn more about these conditions in Educational Video for Creating and Managing Yachts, Part 3. There is also an option for sending notification to the owner of the yacht that you can enable. Expiring crew documents notifications works the same as other policies, except you can also enable option for sending notification directly to the crew's email if provided within their card. Notifications regarding charters, bookings, options, and payments. Booking and option update emails are sent to the selected users upon their creation. You can enable or disable them from here. Select the users as you see fit. If an agency is selected, you can also send the notification to the customer by enabling this option. Click on the preview to see an example of the email that will be received. Booking and option update notifications are sent when a change has occurred to the selected users and the customer if you enable the option. Option cancellation warnings are scheduled to be sent before the number of days you have selected, and you can define the conditions like others. Click on Preview to see the reminder. Unpaid amount reminder regarding the bookings are informed to the selected user's agency in between or customer if you enable it. Booking departure reminder are sent to the selected users, to the embarkation-based manager, and to the customer if selected. There is also option for immediately sending notification for last-minute bookings before embarkation as per conditions. Booking arrival reminder conditions works the same as departure reminder. After you make changes in the policy conditions, click on Save to apply them. And this concludes our educational video. We hope to see you in the next one.